Most Scrum Masters I work with pick the role for the wrong reason. They saw a job posting. They got certified. They got hired. Nobody ever asked them whether they were actually wired for the work. And 6 months in, they're miserable. And they think it's the company. It's not the company, it's the seat. I'm Abel Mendez, founder of Agile Career Forge. Today, I'm giving you the 4 traits that predict where you'll thrive. Scrum Master, Product Owner, or Agile Coach. So you stop guessing. Forget personality tests. The 4 traits that actually predict fit are observable. You can self-assess in 2 minutes. Trait 1, energy source. Scrum Masters get energy from people and process friction. Product owners get energy from decisions and trade-offs. Agile coaches get energy from systems and change. If meetings drain you, but data energizes you, you're not a Scrum Master. You're a PO. Trait 2, conflict tolerance. Scrum Masters mediate conflict. POs cause it on purpose. Every no to a stakeholder is a small conflict. Coaches navigate it at the executive level. If you can't say no to a senior leader, the PO seat will break you. Trait 3, abstraction comfort. Scrum Masters operate at team level, POs at product level, coaches at organizational level. The higher the abstraction, the less day-to-day execution you'll touch. If you need to see your fingerprints on something tangible every sprint, you're not a coach yet. Trait 4, feedback timeline. Scrum Masters get feedback in 2 weeks. POs in 3 to 6 months. Coaches in 12 to 18 months. If you need fast wins, the coach seat will frustrate you. You don't pick your agile role. Your wiring picks it for you. The question is whether you're listening. If you're in the wrong seat, or you're in the right seat, but your resume doesn't reflect it, that's exactly what we fix at Agile Career Forge. Free 15-minute discovery call. Link is in the description. Hit subscribe for one of these every Friday. I'm Abel Mendez. See you in the next one.